Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on Pinterest app. To know how to fix emulated on Pinterest, you click on settings. Then this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to above to search about Pinterest app. You will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. And after that you'll enter to storage like this. Here you can click clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and